Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening the specific chat where you want to change a live location. Tap the attach icon, choose location, then share live location. Allow WhatsApp to access your device location if prompted so it can update in real time. Once done, pick a duration, 15 minutes, 1 hour, or 8 hours, so the app will keep broadcasting. Make sure your phone's GPS is enabled and you have stable mobile data or Wi-Fi, otherwise updates may lag or stop. Once your live location is active, tap its message to open the map and controls. If you need to change the exact spot, either drag the pin where supported or tap current location to refresh coordinates, then press send to replace the previous share. If you want to switch devices or accounts, stop sharing first and restart from the other device so only the new stream is active. Make sure permissions remain granted, and background location is allowed for continuous updates. To complete the process, open the live location message and tap Stop Sharing. That ends broadcasting immediately. If your location isn't updating before you stop, check GPS signal, confirm WhatsApp has location and background data permissions, and ensure battery saver isn't limiting updates. Once checked, restart WhatsApp or toggle location services off and on to force a refresh. If problems persist, update the app. That typically resolves bugs affecting live location functionality.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.